Hey traders, walking to get some lunch, but I want to go over one stock that you probably have never heard of. And actually Citron came out today issuing a positive statement. It was weird because they bought 3,000 calls right before, and those calls went from 60 cents to $1.30 in about 5 minutes. So pretty incredible there. And it's 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗲. Remember the old Topps baseball cards? You might have to dig in the attic or the basement, or dig out the closet for those old Ken Griffey, Cal Ripken, George Brett, Frank Thomas, come on, you know, Mark McGwire, Sammy Sosa, baseball cards, those rookie cards out there. But 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗲 is a SPAC, special acquisition company, that is apparently taking Topps public. And what's really interesting about it is apparently now it's an NFT play, which, you know, NFTs were popular, now they're kind of dying down. But 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗲's traded up to, geez, I think about 18 a share, and now it's trading around 13 and change or so. But I mean, listen, I'm kind of a nerd, and I remember getting baseball cards as a kid, trying to get those rookie cards, putting them in the little plastic cases out there. And obviously the whole collectible market is very hot right now. PSA, which grades the baseball and other sports cards, they've halted production because they need to hire so many people and they're so backed up. So a name to keep an eye on. When the market's good and growth stocks pop, 𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧, it squeezes up, it catches on fire. And then at times when the market sells off, it is going to be more volatile. But just a name, put on your radar. I love trading it. Trades good off flow. And that's 𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧, M-U-D-S. And it's a Topps baseball card play. Gotta love it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment on the video. And I'm about to get some lunch and smoke a cigar.